here too, Daddy.
What did you find?
We found Shaggy Manes. We were just walking and we found a few. And then, look what we just saw these. And we were like, ran over to them.
Tons.
Yeah, so many.
Look at these. There's so many here.
There's so many here.
So many all closed up nice. So that's what you want to eat. When they're all closed up nice like that. And they're nice and solid and white. There's more over there, hiding over there. Oh yeah, oh I see some over there too.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and there's some in the grass over there
Okay,
too.
let's pick them.
Right beside the, right beside the
Okay.
hydrant.
Let's pick
Okay,
them.
pick them. Don't squish them.
Let's pick them.
Pick them. Throw them in my bag. Yeah. Try not to squish them.
Oh, I got the bottom.
Yeah, try to break off the dirt. Don't eat all that dirt.
Okay.
You guys are putting the dirt in. Break off the bottom. Use 2 hands. You have 2 hands. Do you know you have 2 hands? You're putting dirt in them.
Break off the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
This one has the fat bottom.
No, that one's okay though to eat. Shaggy Mane.
Oh.
Don't put the ones that are turning black in here.
Oh.
Okay?
Like,
We don't need that big one. Let's pick the nice little ones, okay? And just pinch the bottom off.
big.
Yeah, I know. We don't need. Yeah, that's a good one, Callie. No, we don't need that one. See how it's turning black on the bottom? Just pinch them off like these. This is a nice one here. Look at that nice one.
Oh,
See, that's what you want. Where the inside is all white, because when they start to oxidize and turn black, go to seed, they're no good. So you want them like this.
Here?
Oh, see that one's starting to turn black? See what I mean? See how it's turning black? No good.
No good.
Just don't pick those ones. Oh, I guess we can probably make some of that one.
This one's turning black too. It's a bad one.
Look at all these.
There's so many.
Look at all these. So don't
here.
break them up. I want to take a picture.
Okay.
Look at. Okay.
I can't, yeah,
Thanks
I
for
can't
watching.
break
Tons of
them.
Shaggy Manes in these areas. Okay, just throw it in. Throw it in then. I wish you guys could break off the dirt.